Yeah. Yeah. Now tell me. Now this product represent each value in the array. What is the first value?
ID number, ID one.
Only ID1 is the first value.
No,
ID, name, price, description.
Okay. Okay. Now let us go to this HTML. Then what do you mean by this?
Anchor link.
First, what is there at line number 5?
H3.
H3.
Tag.
Tag.
Okay. Okay. What is there inside?
Title, product dot name plus details.
Inside this header, we have one anchor tag. And for this anchor tag, what we have?
Title,
Title.
Okay.
product name plus details.
So in case of the first product, okay. For example, let me just open that file. So if we are imagining that the first product value is this, what does this title complete value will be assigned to the title?
Product name plus details.
Product name plus details.
What is that?
Phone Excel.
Plus one.
Y1, what is there here?
It's details.
Product name. Phone Excel.
What will be displayed as a title here?
Product name plus details.
What is that, Jansi? What is that product name?
Phone Excel.
Phone Excel details, right?
Yes.
What it is evaluated. It is evaluated and it will get assigned. That you need to tell, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So are you seeing that? Are you able to
Yes, sir.
see that? So it's an H3 tag. Okay. And inside it acts as a, this H3 tag acts as a link. That's why we have given this anchor tag. Okay. And if you are able to see, you are seeing the title, right? Phone Excel details. You need to tell me the complete execution, right? If you are telling just reading the value from there, what I will understand? What I will understand that you people understood. And even, okay, if you try to hover on it, are you seeing phone Excel details? Are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
For showing the tool to
Yes.
we use this title attribute. Do you remember? Yes or no?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. What is the product dot name here evaluates to?
Phone Excel.
Phone Excel. Okay. It is phone Excel. And whenever you hover on it, the title will be phone Excel details. Okay. Now what is there in the, what is this?
Router link.
Which means that what will happen?
Go to the products path and
Okay. We should go to the products path. Let me go to the app module. Okay. Then
it will take product ID.
no, when I click on this link, what actually happens?
Phone Excel details.
The details will, the entire details will come.
So when I click on this link, what will happen? I just asked in a simple terms.
We will get that product. We will get that product ID and name.
When I check,
Details.
it will just compare the path here with this path. If it matches, what will happen? This component will get rendered. Correct?
Yes, Anusha.
Yes.
Putting one comma and sending some value is nothing but through routing, you are sending this value to this product detail component. Okay. This is just a syntax. You will just give the comma. You will give product dot ID you wanted to send. That value you are taking like this. After the path, product slash colon, and what value I want to take, product ID I want to take. So I am doing it like this. So whenever I click on this component will get rendered. Okay. If I just go to product details component, okay. Now you can see there is something called, you have sent this value, but through routing, this component has to access that value, right? Thus, you can do using one thing called activated route. Okay. You need to import something called activated route and you need to inject it to your constructor. Okay. And you need to do it like this dot route dot snapshot dot params. Okay. In that params, all the parameters available. Suppose if you are passing one more value, what will happen? You will just give semicolon and you will access that value. So params dot get off product ID you can do, or get off FG HJ you can do. So that whatever value is passed, you can directly get it here. Okay. For example, let me tell you another example of how can I do that. Give me a minute. So suppose if I want to pass one more thing like product dot name here, how should I do it? I will just keep one comma and I will access it like product dot name. Okay. So whenever I am passing it, route should be aware, no? So for that purpose, what will happen? We will go to the router and we will specify what is that another thing that is being passed. If I say product name, okay. And if you want to get this value, what is passed through the routes, to which component it will pass to that value?
Product details component.
Product details component. Very good, Johnson. Okay. So what you can do here, you can just get the param map here, and here what you can do, you can just do console.log of, okay, route params dot get of, what is the name I have given? Product name. You can just simply access like this. Okay. And let me just quickly show you. This way you are passing the values through routing, okay, from one component to other component. Okay, let it load. Meanwhile, what is there next? We have finished this history tag. What is there next?
Star NG.
Okay. You need to
P
first telling from
and
starting. No, it's a paragraph and it containing star NGF condition, correct? Yeah,
So
right now.
Yes, I'm sure.
What is the condition it is having here?
Product this
What is that meaning?
product description greater than description.
It's not always greater than, okay. If the product dot
Product
description
description.
is there, then display this content. That is the meaning, okay. And if we go to so product dot description is available for the first component or not?
Yes, Anisha.
Okay, okay. It's still loading. So that's why it will show this component. Okay. That's why it will show this paragraph. Then what is there next?
Button click is equal to share.
Okay. We have one button. And what is the button name here?
Click.
Share.
Share. Okay. Does it doing anything? Does this function do
I
anything?
think Anusha it is for sharing, like share and param is there. So
So whenever we click on this button, which method is getting invoked?
Share method.
Share method.
share.
Where should I check this method?
That component.ts file.
Which component.ts file?
Product list component.ts.
Product list component.ts file. Okay. So whenever you are clicking this button, there will be one alert pop up. Okay. Stating that the product has been shared, alert will be there. Okay. That is the only meaning. Okay. Then what is there next?
Next. App product alerts.
Okay. What is
Prod-
that?
Product alerts. Product is equal product.
What is the meaning of this entire line number 17 to 18?
Product is assigned to
Okay. It's an inbuilt component or custom built component. You should tell me that first. No.
It is custom built.
Custom built. Okay. What is the relevant component for this?
So is it like app component.ts?
App component.ts. Okay, let me go there. Is it app component.ts component?
No, Anusha.
product list component.ts.
Product dot ts.
What component? Sorry, can you repeat it? What component?
Product list component.
In product list component only you contain this selector. Am I correct? Then it will be again product list component. What is the name here? App product alerts. What is the selector here for this file?
App product
App
list.
product.
App product.
Then where should you check this component?
App product list.
What is happening to you?
App product list component.ts.
You are able to tell one thing and you are not able to tell something. Okay. That means you people are by hearting or something like that. You came here, okay, and you said app tab bar. So there is one you saw like top bar and you said it is related to that component, okay, and you move to product list component, okay, and here you are able to tell app tab bar component, and here what is written app product alerts. To which component it is related to, you are not able to tell. What is that meaning?
Tab bar that component.ts.
What is the selector for tab bar? What is the selector name?
App tab bar.
Is app top bar, and is this content is same? Is both are same? App product alerts and app top bar is both are same?
Yes,
No,
Anusha.
Yes, sir.
no, it's no, Anusha.
No, Anusha.
What happened to you? It's just simple English, na? App product alerts is the tag name. Here app top bar. Whether these two are same?
No, Anusha.
No, right? Then how will you check?
It will check in product details component.ts file.
Okay, let us go here. What is the selector here?
App product details.
Okay, what we are looking for? Wait a minute, let me just open that. Yeah. What we are looking for
App product alerts.
is both are same.
No, Anusha.
Then how should
No,
we check?
Anusha.
How should we proceed? You need to check in all the folders available. Okay. What are all the folders available here? I said folders. What are the
SR
folders available?
source folder, app folder, cart,
Cart
product
folder
alerts.
is there. Okay.
Product alerts, Anusha. Folder. In that folder, you will take product alert component.ts file is there.
Very good. Now you understand. Which means that previously you by hearted or something. No, right? Then why are you not able to tell?
I have just little bit confused on this.
Okay. So you need to check in every component. If it says app product alerts, you need to check like whether there is a folder related to product alerts. If it is related, then you will go to that folder and you will check the selector. If the selectors are same, which means that this component is getting rendered. Okay. Now what is happening here? Tell me. What's happening here?
Product is there.
Okay.
Product.
What is this meaning?
We are assigning that product to
Product to what? We are
Array of
assigning the product to what? To which variable?
Product, Anusha.
Product variable. We are assigning the product to product variable. What is this full line meaning, by the way?
In the app router alerts .ts file, product is assigned to product.
The meaning is that parent list is the product list is the parent component and app product alerts is the child component. And we are passing some data from parent component to child component. That data is product. This is the same thing which I have repeated in the day before yesterday's class also. It is not my fault. You people are not practicing it. This was the term which I have been telling for 5 to 7 classes. Then what practicing you people are doing every day? What is the use of learning? Every day I'm repeating myself, but you people are not practicing. What is the use? Now, what is there in this HTML?
Star P and star NGF.
You have just a paragraph. Okay, you have one paragraph. Okay.
Star NGF is equal to
Okay.
product dot price.
Okay.
Greater than
greater than 700.
What is its meaning?
product Product dot price.
Product price should greater than 700.
So the meaning is that first product means the entire product object you will be getting. Am I correct? In the
Yes,
product.ts, this entire object you will get. The meaning is that product should be there. And if the product dot price is greater than 700, then you will see that button. This is the meaning. Okay. What is the meaning? What is the meaning of the star ng if condition?
If the product price is going to be greater than 700, then the product will be shown.
Firstly, you need to tell the first condition, which is that product should be there. And if
Yes.
the product is there, if the product price is greater than 700, then this button will be shown. Okay. Then what happening here?
Yes.
What is happening in the button?
If we click that notify dot EMT,
Emit. Okay. So are we emitting any value here?
No, Anusha.
Where we should check this notify? Where we should check this notify variable? In which file? In which file we should check?
Product elects component dot ts file.
Okay. What is the type of this notify? What is it actually?
It is change parent data.
Passing data from?
child to parent.
How you have told that we are passing data from child to parent?
It is using
At the rate of
Output.
component, and we are using
Output decorator.
event emitters.
Okay. And we are emitting whenever we click. Instead of writing one method and calling it in the TS file, they have written it directly. Okay. Notify.emit. Okay. And what is happening? Whenever you click on this method, what will happen in the parent component? Whenever you click on this button, what will happen in the parent component?
Unnotify function will be
Invoked. Very good. Okay. So whenever any method is happening, whenever this click event is happening, this event notify also will happen because you are emitting something from that. So whenever notify event happened, on notify method will be clicked. Where should I check this method?
it is in product details component dot ts file. Product list component dot ts file.
Product list component.ts file. Okay. And whenever you are click the button here, it will tell you will be notified when the product goes on sale. That is the meaning. That's it. Nothing other than that. Okay. Let me open it again later. Understood till now?
Yes, Anusha.
Okay. Let us go to the next steps. So you said initially whenever we are clicking the product, you remember in the product list, whenever you click here, the products, it will match with the routes, and what component will be displayed here?
Product details
Product detail.
Okay. What is there in this product details component?
product
Name,
XML, phone XML.
What is this?
Phone
What is this?
product details.
product details
Product
H2
details H2 tag.
in H2 tags.
Okay.
Phone Excel details.
So what is there here?
NG if condition.
So whenever you clicked on this phone,
Give tag.
right? Whenever we clicked on it, you see this heading product details is displayed. If the product is there, then what's happening? What is there here?
Product that name.
Product name.
Product dot name, which is phone XL is displayed. Then what is there next?
Product that
Price.
Okay, what is this?
Currency.
$7 currency.
What is it?
Pipe symbol.
Pipes in Angular, inbuilt pipe in Angular. Okay. You are converting the product price to some currency format. Okay. And it is displaying you how much?
$7.
Okay. What is there next?
Product dot description.
Description.
Okay. What is description? A large phone with one of the best screens. This is the description. Okay. What is there next?
Button click.
Okay. What is the button name?
Buy.
What is this click function is doing?
Add to cart.
Add to cart.
Add to cart. Product. Product.
Add to cart product. What is its meaning?
It means the product is adding to the cart.
So we are invoking one function called add to cart. And what is being passed to that function?
Product.
Product. Where should I check this function? Where should I check this
Product,
function?
product details component dot TS file.
Product details component.ts file. What is happening here?
Yeah. Window L,
Add to cart.
product.
What is happening in this method?
This dot cart service. Your product has been added to the cart.
Tell me the starting line, right? What is this line 34?
This dot cart service dot add cart to product.
What is this variable doing here? Where should I check this variable? What it is related to? Tell me what does that line is?
We will be able to check it in the chat folder.
Sorry.
It is in a private.
What it is actually?
Cart service.
It's a service, correct? What
It is declared in providers.
we have created one service called cart service, okay? And what is this? Add to cart. What is this? What is its meaning? This dot cart service dot add to cart of product. What is this meaning? What is that line meaning? What is the meaning of that line? What will be present in
Carts.
services? What will be there in services? What will be present in the services? What will be there in a service file? Generally, what will be there in a service file?
At the rate of injectable.
At the rate of?
Injectable decorator.
Okay, decorator is there. Apart from decorator, what will be there?
We will have our file name with dot service.
Okay, apart from file name, what will be there?
Export class.
Shari, apart from that name, what will be there?
Import cart service from a cart service path.
What I am asking, what you are telling, Jansi. I said what will be there in cart service. You are telling import statement will be there in that. What
I
will be
think
there in
Anusha
cart service?
functionality is going to be there to like,
Functions are going to be there. Then
yeah,
what is this line meaning?
it is also like importing a function add to cart with product
Invoking
pack.
a function name add to cart which is available in the cart service. That is the meaning.
Yes,
For this function, we are passing one parameter called product.
product.
What do you mean by opening brace and closing brace? Function invocation. This I have
Yes,
told nearly 200 times. Okay. And you people are still not able to tell. What will be there in a service? You will contain methods. You will just invoke that methods and you'll pass the required parameters. That's it. What is happening in this method? Tell me right now. What is happening in this method? What is happening
so
in that method? Yeah.
Anusha, in this method, the method is add to cart, and the items are pushed like the product. We have the product param here,
Okay.
in which the item is pushed, like the products are pushed to the cart, I believe.
You're invoking that product.
Yeah.
I didn't ask for any functionality, but simply tell what is happening. We have one array, initial array called items. We are just pushing the product to items array. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you know if we use a push on a variable, does it work? If you try to use push function on a normal string or a number, does it work?
No, Anusha, I think it is only going to work on an array.
It is only used for array, correct? So we have one empty array and we are just pushing the products to that array. That is the meaning. That's it. Okay. What does this get items is doing?
They're returning the item.
Return this item.
Very good. It
Return
is
this.
just returning the items. Okay. If you just want to invoke this function in this product details, how will you do that? If you want to invoke this function get items in this product details component, how will you do that? I just said in a very simple term. You have one function called get items in your service. Okay. I want to invoke this method in this product details component.ts file. How can I do that?
This dot get items.
So if you write directly this dot get items, will it call the get items in this service? Will it call or not?
Yes, Anusha.
How, Jansi? How?
No, Anusha. No, Anusha. Add cart. Add cart.
Add cart. How add cart is related to get items?
No, Anusha. No, Anusha. Get details.
I will kill myself.
Get items, Anusha.
Get items only I am telling. How will you access get items in this file? That is what I am asking. You are repeating the same thing. Have you have invoked the add cart in this file?
Add cart. Same add cart.
What is there here? Same add
This
cart is there or service dot add cart is there?
this dot cart service dot add cart.
Then how will you invoke the get items?
this dot get first you will take get items.
I'm telling no, I'll kill myself. You have seen the first line and you are not able to tell the second method how it will be invoked.
Get this dot get service dot get items.
What is the service name it is being used?
This dot cart
Cart
service.
service.
Anush.
This dot
Cart
cart
service dot
service
get
dot
items.
get
Items.
to tell this much simple thing, you are struggling a lot. How to invoke this clear item?
This dot cart service dot clear cart.
Clear cart. What is happening in the clear cart?
This return this item.
Just
Return
return
items.
this item is there in clear cart. Nothing is there other than that line.
You are assigned empty array to items and you are returning the
To this item, this dot items.
You just assign some empty array, which means that you clear the cart to empty array. Nothing is there in that cart and you are returning that empty array. That is the meaning. Okay.
Okay.
Now what is happening in get shipping prices method? What is this?
it's a link.
It's a link.
No, it's
HTTP.
HTTP.
HTTP is used for what purpose in Angular? Okay, just read it and come back. Okay. How many times I told you will not do anyway, practice and all. Just read it for yourself, this thing, and come back for tomorrow's class.
Dot subscribe.
What is this? HTTP is used for what purpose in Angular?
Get details.
HTTP is used for what purpose in Angular? For making API calls, we use HTTP client. For making API calls. Just go through this project and come back for tomorrow's class. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Anusha.
Yeah. And please note that tomorrow each one of you have to explain me what's happening in this project. Okay. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, Anusha, sure.
Please
Yes,
come
Anusha.
tomorrow for the next class.
Sure.
Yeah. And take this project reference and read it and come back for the next class. If you are repeating the same things, I cannot tolerate. Every day I cannot be teaching the same thing for 5 to 6, 7 classes and all. I'll just wind up. It's not for me. You are learning. You are learning for yourself. Bye, everyone.
Bye, Anusha.